Hey everyone, Sweat Trainer Kayla Itsines here, and I am so excited to be teaming up with Women's Health UK to bring you a week's worth of workouts to help you keep motivated and feel energized. Now, one of my goals this year is to build lower body strength, so I am so excited to bring you a lower body workout today. You don't need any equipment for this workout, just the space of your mat. Now, this is a 10-minute workout, but if you want to increase it to 20 to 30 minutes, you can repeat this workout 2 or 3 times through. I want you to leave this workout feeling motivated and energized, so definitely go at your own pace and really have fun with it. Let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna get straight down onto the ground into our warm-up. We're gonna warm up our hip flexor and our hamstring. So down on the ground, we're gonna move between our hip flexor stretch, which is this one here, and our hamstring stretch, pulling our foot into our knee. Good, and we're just gonna move between these two stretches, combine them both, and warm up our right leg. Good. Keep going. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are switching legs. Good. Sink down a little bit further each time you do your hip flexor stretch. Take a nice deep breath. Good. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are standing up, legs apart, arms straight. We're going to touch our opposite foot, just warming up that lower back. We'll keep those arms nice and straight. Take some nice deep breaths, and we're going to get straight into our workout. Lower body, nice and quick workout today. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, so we are going to get straight into our workout. We have 2 exercises, 3 rounds. So 2 exercises, 3 rounds. Our first exercise is a sumo squat, and then we are in a kneel to knee up. But let's start with our sumo squat. 30 seconds, feet nice and wide apart. Starting in 3, 2, 1, knees in line with toes, and we are out nice and wide. Bring those knees out nice and wide. Sitting back, sumo squat here, 30 seconds. Good, and squeeze on the way up. Squeeze. 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're just down on the ground into a kneel to knee up. So right leg comes up, knee up on our left leg, up, back down. And we are swapping legs each time. Take your time with it. Focus on your form. Five seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are back into that sumo squat, round 2. Straight into it. Good, knees out. Good work. Keep those knees out nice and wide, in line with your toes. So when we say knees over your toes, it means knees in line with your toes. Perfect. Keep going. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and kneel to knee up. So, right leg on the ground, up with your left, and we swap. Left leg on the ground, up with your right. When you come up, you want to squeeze those glutes. Good. Up and squeeze those glutes. 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and round 3, final round. Legs out nice and wide, down and back up. Good, you're sitting back. As you come up, you're squeezing those glutes. Good work. Another 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep those knees out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back down with those knee to knee ups. Up, squeeze. Good. Swapping legs each time. Halfway there. Up and really squeeze that glute. Chest up, back straight. Swapping sides each time. Make sure that leg is nice and stable. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and shaking out those legs. End of round 1. Now, round 2, while you're grabbing a drink, take a few deep breaths. I'm going to talk you through the next 3 exercises. They are a pop squat, they are an alternating lateral lunge, and then down the ground you have a glute bridge, up and a walkout. So there are 3 exercises, and we are starting in 15 seconds. While you're here, stretch out your legs, shake them out, take a few deep breaths, and get ready. 3 exercises, 3 rounds. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Pop squat. So when I do my pop squat, I either do alternating hands, so I touch one hand, other hand, this is a distraction mechanism for me, or I do 2 hands. Totally up to you, whatever feels comfortable. Making sure you're sitting back into those glutes, coming back up and squeezing them on the way up. 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and alternating lateral lunge. So feet nice and wide, sitting back into that glute muscle, coming back into the middle. Other side, back into the middle. Good. Now what you don't want to do is collapse that knee inwards. Keep that knee out and really sit into that glute. Good work. 15 seconds. Good, you have 10 seconds to go before we go down the ground into that glute bridge and walk out. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down the ground. And we're into that glute bridge, up and squeeze, hands on the ground, and we're walking out, walking back in. Here you can really feel your hamstrings start to work. Round 1. Notice I'm alternating which foot comes out. So if my right comes out, then my left comes out the next time. 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest before we move into round 2. So up, shake out those legs. Starting in 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Round 2, pop squat. Remember, you can do that alternating hands. Do the double hand, as long as you're sitting back. Got another 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and into that alternating lateral lunge. All right, so our legs are nice and wide, and we're straight into the lateral lunge. Really sitting back, working those glutes. Now this is important because it really sets you up. It really gives you that stable base. From here, we're going side to side, straight into that glute bridge. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are down into that glute bridge. So we're working side to side, stabilizing those hips, and we're up into that glute bridge now. Up and squeeze, and hands on the ground, walking out, walking back in. Keep those hips up, and remember just squeezing those glutes. What you don't want to do is arch your back and come up too high. So you really want to tuck those hips under, come up, and walk out, walk back in. Great work. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second break. And we are moving into our final round. Getting a little moustache sweat here. Whew. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Final round. Now the great thing about this workout is there is absolutely no equipment. You can do it anytime, you can do it anywhere. It's nice and quick, and it really sets you up and gives you that little energy boost that you need. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet nice and wide, and we are moving into that lateral lunge. Side to side. Good. Sit back into that glute. Push off that glute. Fantastic work. Twelve, 11, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, last 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, down the ground, and we are into that last exercise before we wrap it up. Tuck under, squeeze, and walk it out, walk it back in. Nice deep breaths. From here, we're moving into our cool down, but I don't want you to stop. 20 seconds, 15 seconds. Keep those hips up, don't drop it, don't stop. Your last 10 seconds coming up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Whew. Legs are burning. That was nice. Quick workout. Like I said, you can do it anytime, do it anywhere. There is absolutely no equipment. We are going to get into our cool down, which is super important. And something that I need to stretch more of is my glutes. So let's get into a glute stretch now. Any way that you like to stretch out your glutes. I'm gonna grab my leg underneath, and with this elbow, I'm pushing that leg away. Good. And from here, take some nice deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. And as you breathe out through your mouth, bring your leg a little bit closer each time. And we are swapping our legs over. Now, as you can see, if you can see, I need to do this more. I need to do way more of this, and I say this quite often, and do I do it? I try. That's what counts. Bring your leg in, take some nice deep breaths. And we're gonna stand up in 3, 2, 1, and we're doing a quad stretch. So if you have a chair or a wall available, you can hold it. I do not, so I'm just gonna focus somewhere on the floor. Here we go. And balance and stretching out my quad. Take some nice deep breaths here. So if you ever feel like you lose balance, and as I look up, I lose balance, focus on something on the floor and you'll stay balanced. And swapping legs. Stretching out that quad. Good. Another 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds. We're ending in 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Well done. Thank you so much for working out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this lower body workout. Now, if you love workouts like these, make sure you check out my programs in the Sweat app.